In April and May 2025, Pluto continues to strengthen its presence in Aquarius. Pluto represents deep transformation, power shifts, and the death of old systems. Aquarius is about innovation, freedom, decentralization, and technology. This relates to Bitcoin and crypto. Pluto in Aquarius, a transit occurring between 2023 and 2044, is especially powerful now. The old financial systems are going through irreversible changes. Institutions resisting decentralization will face breakdowns. Crypto technologies, especially Bitcoin, will gain traction as alternatives to the current money system. Bitcoin may not spike immediately, but this transit is laying the groundwork for long-term, foundational adoption and integration. The price may seem stagnant or volatile short-term, but it's consolidating strength beneath the surface. The full moon in Scorpio will occur on May 12, 2025. This lunation is especially powerful, as Scorpio full moons often dig deep into emotional intensity, transformation, power dynamics, and hidden truths. In the context of financial markets, and especially crypto like Bitcoin, Scorpio energy tends to unearth what's beneath the surface: manipulation, secret agendas, or deep-rooted investor fears and obsessions. It's a classic time when the market can behave in extreme ways: sudden crashes or sharp rebounds, FOMO and panic, emotional reactions driven by fear or greed. Scorpio full moons are not here to scare us. They're here to purge, cleanse, and reset. This can be a powerful time for letting go of emotional baggage tied to losses, regret, or toxic financial habits. Investors are encouraged to stay centered, reflect, and reconnect with their deeper why behind their financial journey. Mercury direct with its shadow phase until April 20th. Mercury governs thinking, communication, and trading behavior. Its retrograde often scrambles logic and market perception. Now that it's direct, but still in shadow, there's confusion clearing, but it's not 100% smooth yet. Expect miscommunication in the media or regulatory bodies, delays in announcements or decisions about crypto. Traders may act on impulse or misinformation until late April. Avoid making rash investment moves until Mercury exits shadow. By the end of April and into early May, clarity returns. And that's when smarter, more intuitive positioning becomes possible. The cosmic message to investors is: you are witnessing the collapse of old financial paradigms. You are meant to be here, ahead of the curve, feeling the chaos, but also holding the vision of what's coming. The volatility is temporary. The vision is eternal. April may feel like a pause or a purge, but May and June, that's when energy begins to lift. The astrology suggests a gradual move into alignment, clarity, and yes, possibly upward momentum in markets. Until then, this is your training ground to master your emotions, reconnect to your deeper purpose, and see Bitcoin not just as a trade, but as a spiritual statement of sovereignty and future freedom. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for future updates.